Autism Statistics, what are they telling us? Well, they're telling us that the prevalence of autism is going up, way up. The CDC used to tell us it's 1 out of 100, then it went to 1 out of 80, then it went to 1 out of 54, and now the CDC is telling us 1 out of 44 kids has autism. Where are these numbers coming from? Well, the CDC calls up a lot of families and they survey them. So these are self-reported numbers. What does that tell us? Well, it could mean that there's something that's causing the prevalence of autism to go up, or it could mean that people are more accepting of autism and are more likely to honestly report it, maybe because there's not a stigma associated with it, or maybe because they're aware of what autism is. The truth is probably somewhere in the middle. People have different points of view on this. I've got a lot more information about statistics on autism below, but the truth is, the label really shouldn't matter. If you're dealing with a kid with autism, you really want to help them with whatever their challenges are. So if that means they're having social challenges at school, it doesn't really matter if they have an autism diagnosis or not. We've got tools that would help them with that teach them those social skills. This increase in prevalence of autism is why our company exists. Goalie was made because we saw a need that was growing and growing and growing for families with kids with autism who needed more tools like the pros use in clinic or at school. The label itself doesn't matter. If your kid is struggling with social or emotional skills, well then we just need to work on that. And Goalie's tablet has tools specifically for that. We've got really fun apps that teach kids all the things that are kind of hard to teach kids in person, to be honest. If your kids struggle with executive functioning, where they need big jobs like clean your room broken out into smaller tasks, well, we've got tools for that too that make it so that parents don't have to do all the nagging. Check us out at getgoalie.com and learn more about autism statistics below.